Deinosuchus, often referred to as the terror crocodile, was a prehistoric reptile that lived during the late Cretaceous period, approximately 82 to 73 million years ago. It was not a dinosaur, but rather a large crocodilian that roamed the ancient swamps and rivers of North America. The name Deinosuchus translates to terrible crocodile in Greek, which aptly describes its formidable nature. Deinosuchus was one of the largest crocodilians that ever existed, with estimated lengths ranging from 30 to 40 feet, 9 to 12 meters, and weighing up to several tons. Its size and massive jaws equipped with sharp teeth made it a formidable predator of its time. While Deinosuchus coexisted with some of the last dinosaurs, there is limited direct evidence of it hunting dinosaurs. Fossilized remains of Deinosuchus have been found in close proximity to dinosaur fossils, indicating that these large crocodilians likely shared habitats with dinosaurs. However, determining their interactions and hunting behaviors can be challenging due to the scarcity of direct fossil evidence. It is speculated that Deinosuchus primarily targeted large prey such as dinosaurs, although it likely preyed on a variety of animals including fish, turtles, and smaller crocodiles. Its powerful bite force, coupled with its size, would have allowed it to take down and consume substantial prey. Deinosuchus possessed unique adaptations that set it apart from modern crocodiles. Its skull was massive, and its teeth were large and conical, designed to pierce and crush bones. This suggests that Deinosuchus had a different feeding strategy compared to modern crocodiles, which typically rely on a grab and twist hunting technique. In conclusion, while Deinosuchus was an impressive and formidable crocodilian that lived alongside dinosaurs, the specifics of its hunting behaviors and interactions with dinosaurs remain a topic of scientific speculation due to limited direct evidence.